Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over, it still hurt.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love today's video. You're spending a day in my life as a stay-at-home mom living in Abuja, Nigeria. I am starting my day by going for my morning jog. Okay, so taking you guys along in what I am doing today, and this video also I'll be showing you guys what we ate in a day. We're going for some shopping. I'll take you guys along in everything I did on this particular day. I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your comment, and yeah loves, let's get started. I hope this video motivates you in starting up your workout, because anytime I do this my jogging, I feel so energized. I feel so happy. Like anytime I'm jogging, as I'm jogging, I'm reflecting and thinking to life, thinking to how I want to improve myself, my lifestyle, and also my body as well. So try, take a walk, take a jog. It's gonna help you in terms of your mindset. Okay, clear your head and you get energized and you get refreshed. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Have you ever felt like giving up because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time the stars just won't align? Have you ever had a broken heart that even time won't heal, because you'd rather feel the pain than say goodbye? I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen? Amen. Have you ever found you lost your way, sailing a sea of tears, caught in a storm of fears that rages through the night? And do you ever wish that time could stop, so you can finally breathe and find a little peace your life has been denied? Oh, I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, who can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen? Amen. No, we're gonna rise up
So guys, I am back. I won't be showing you guys my watch because I'm charging it. I forgot to charge it last night. I woke up this morning. It's down. So I did like manual, like my phone timer. I put it the same amount, 50 minutes, because I jog for 50 minutes. So I just came back now. I'm literally tired. But I want to do some smoothie. I call it smoothie, I call it juice. I'll take you guys along. I'll go and shower and I'll start making the juice or smoothie now that there's light. So, welcome to a new vlog. Okay? Yeah. As I said in my previous videos, a different video of my daily progress, I'll put that in that vlog. So today is day 6, I think. Yeah, I think today is day 6. Anyway, I'm literally tired. But let me go and do that video for my body. Alright. Catch you guys in the next light. Oh, this heat feels good. It feels so good. So loves, these are the juice I made on this day. Okay, I did these 3 juice which will serve me for like few days, because I'm going to put it in a plastic rubber and put them in the freezer, so that it gets frozen. I feel when it gets frozen it's more fresh. So I went out to go get some grocery because we don't have few things in the house, and I want to make a sauce. Okay, and that sauce requires some other ingredients, which I had to go to the supermarket to go get few things for that sauce, which will come out in a separate video of what we ate in that day. That is today, but what we ate in a day. Only one. Only one Cocoa Pops. Let's go. Pick one. Put it inside. One. Put one. Pick this one. 2. Pick this one. 3. Pick this one. Good girl. Yay! You did it. Larry's. With mommy's hand. Not me, you keep that in. There's no more than 2 together. Like this is always in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Here's a grocery haul. Okay, I am back home. Here's the grocery haul. So I got tissue because the one we have is finished, so I had to buy another set of tissue. Like this was 2,600. Then I also got my greens, okay, because I was trying to like add green breakfast, like green juice. I got celery, I got kale, and this one was 2,000. I said 2,200 and something. Okay, if you guys remember in my market vlog, okay, this is 260, that one was 2 something. My market vlog where I said that kale I bought was quite expensive. Yeah, so I got loose. Okay, I'm going to use the lettuce for our dinner. I got some cucumber, and I got these munchies for madam because she loves munchies, and me, I love munchies as well. So I got Cocoa Pops for her breakfast. I got like few rolls, not much. Then I got another munchies, and munch it again, and munch it again. Like I got different flavor for her. Then I picked coffee. So loves, this is the sauce. I'm making veggie pasta. Okay, I am using eggplant. All right, a subscriber of mine asked me to do a detailed video about using eggplant as a sauce, which I am doing. Here I'm going to be adding 2 pasta. Okay, when you have 2 different pasta, you make sure that you add the ones that have a higher timer before you add the one that has a lower timer, so that your pasta, the 2 pasta, can have the same can cook the same. Okay, so the pasta is ready. I am dishing out for madam and myself and hubby as well. Okay, so this tasted so good. I'll drop a full video on how I created this pasta. Okay, we had veggie pasta for the afternoon, and I'll drop it either for this video or after this video, one of them. Either this one comes before that one, anyhow shabo. I did a full video about this pasta. Wow, like guys, this was so delicious. So if you don't want to have meat, you can use this veggie pasta, and it's still, you still have all the proteins, you still have your veggies, it's balanced diet and everything. So on this particular day, I cooked healthy meal for my family. Yeah, too much of junk is not good. Sometimes you have to eat healthy. Let's try it. This is nice. It's time to tackle this. It's long overdue. This chair, even remember me chair has cover. I removed the cover because she spoiled the chair, and each time she sit down, she hits her head on the floor. So I had to remove the cover and tell her that the chair is no longer good. So she stops playing with the chair. She leaves the chair alone. But if I not remove the cover of the chair, she will still try to sit down and be hitting her head on the wall or on the floor. Alright guys, it's time for me to settle this, and yeah. Next October, will I know what fun feels like? So loves, after folding the dresses, I started making dinner. Okay, the dinner I started around that kind of 4:30, 5 o'clock. Okay, so that around 6 o'clock we can have our dinner. So as I said earlier on, a full detailed recipe of what we ate in a day will come out. Okay, so how I made this chicken breast, and here is our salad. What is inside the salad, okay, is in that video which will come up. All right guys, so I'm just gonna make this salad and together with the chicken breast for hubby, and madam also had the same salad, but she had her salad with some potato by the side because no, she's still a child, so she still need all your food. While me and hubby ate only salad and chicken breast, and it was so amazing. It was so filling. Without you in my life, without you in my life, and I thought that I was fine, but I can't help wonder why. So guys, this is the green juice. I'll be having the green juice with my salad for my dinner. This is what I have for dinner. Okay, and yeah, this tasted so amazing. Okay, it's so amazing. I am done with dinner. I'm gonna eat this, and after I finish eating my salad, I will clean. Yeah, I've off it. I will clean the cooker. Then I gotta rest. So, watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts, leave your comments. Hubby and baby girl is there. They are playing game. yeah, so that is how I spent my day. See you guys later. Ciao. Do widzenia. Papa. The one who gets to share it all.